If you want some tips on how to use stickers with the coloured backgrounds, then stay tuned. Hello my planner pals and welcome back. And if you're new here, then thank you for joining me and giving me a try. My name is Di, I am here at Creative Calm Design. Today we are talking about stickers with the colour on the background. These, I have noticed, mostly come in the seasonal books, but they also come in, this is the bright type, stuff like this. So for the longest time, I avoided sticker books with these, with any kind of colour on the background. And then, over the past year, I've started to really enjoy using them. They add a lot of colour and vibrancy to your planner spreads, if they are not weird. If they are not weird. So there's caveats to this, right? There's caveats. So if you didn't already, the first thing that I'm going to say is if you didn't already, check out my video where I used this sheet. I used the whole sheet from Cheerful Seasons and I did this spread. So this is my spread using the coloured stickers, the coloured background stickers. I use them as filler in my spread here. That is a great way to use them. And I've done this a couple of times. I prefer, if I'm going to use them like this. They just don't look as weird, is what I will say. They don't look as weird. They don't look as weird. I never used to like them, but now I'm kind of, I'm not going to say I love them. I don't like this one as much, but I'm going to use them if they're in my bloody sticker book because I'm not going to throw them away. And I have another example of this. So you can see here, it just helps bring the spread together. I've used the florals with the coloured background. I've used a similar sticker here that is the same design, and then I've put more up here and dotted a few along the spread. It really helps tie the spread together when you're just not using one. If you use one or two, they're going to look very, very weird. But doing a big section, in my opinion, works better. Now, the other thing that you can do to make this kind of design, and I'm thinking more along the lines of those bigger stickers, the bigger statement stickers. You can ground them to the page using some coordinating washi. If I'd have just done these stickers here without the washi underneath, they might have looked a little bit weird. But having the washi underneath, now it just looks like that's supposed to be in a big strip. That's how I like to think of it. It ties them all together. So if you have these and you like them, but you're like, they just aren't doing it for me, they just aren't doing it for me, then get a piece of similar washi. It's not an exact match, it's near enough. Pop your stickers on top, and then it grounds the floaty stickers onto the page. It makes them become part of a overall design rather than one sticker, one sticker, one sticker, one sticker. It helps kind of merge them all together. If I wanted to do that same thing, the same floral thing here, but I wanted more of a statement, all I have to do is take this sheet, and this is what I've done before. I've taken this sheet, the whole sheet, and stuck the whole sheet onto sticker paper. This is sticker paper. This is a sticker sheet. This is sticker paper. I've just taken the whole thing and stuck it onto sticker paper. All I need to do now is measure this, which I know is roughly 1.5 inches. And then I just have to use this like pattern paper, because this is just sticker paper. So all I would have to do, I've done the same here. This one would go here. The end of there would go here because that is the first. And then the other bit can just go there. Find other coordinating stickers from the sticker book, fill in the middle, and I'm done. This could also work in your vertical. All you have to do is cut them to 1.5 by 2.5. I've got a box. Again, it's on sticker paper. All I've got to do is peel the back off, stick it down. Box, box, box. Add some functional stuff. I could cover the whole of the sidebar. If I was using the currently page, maybe I just want to put a big green strip of flowers there. Maybe I just want to put a green strip there, and then the other half goes down here. It's a very easy way to use the stickers and turn them into a patterned paper. Don't negate your sticker paper. This sticker paper is Online Labels. I will leave a link in the description. You can just pick this up. Also comes in clear. I love sticker paper in my planner. I've said this before. If you have anything that you have clear that you want to make paper, just stick it onto sticker paper. The same thing can be applied with these. If you have these with some kind of dark background, I know that there's a book and I can't think what it's called. It's not Moody Florals. It's something floral with a ton of black backgrounds on it. I can't think what it's called right now. If I put it there and I'm like, now it looks odd. It looks odd. It's just floating on the page. However, if I do something like this, now it looks like it's part of the page. It's no longer floating. This can work vertically. It can work horizontally. It works exactly the same. It works exactly the same. You just ground it to the page with some washi tape. Now it can be the same color. It can be a different color to the background. If you're doing a different color to the background, then pull a color from the sticker. It could have been green, could have been peach, could have been yellow, could have been the blue. Pull a color from the sticker or use the sticker background color. All you need is something to attach it to the page. Now I know that sounds weird because it's stuck to the page, but if I just took that off, it's just floating there and it just looks weird. If I add this back on, it just makes it more of the design of the page rather than something that's intruding on the page. You could do one here, you could use the same washi tape here, same washi tape here, another black sticker, and then you have your visual triangle. Think about grounding these stickers to the page, because otherwise they float on the page and they just look freaking weird. So here's the other thing you can do. You don't have to use washi tape. You can use boxes. Boxes work just as well, because all you're doing with these is you're adding some decoration to the box. So I'm going to use the peach one. I prefer it to be the same color as the background. That's just me. If I put that on there, it just makes the design part of the box. Now it just looks like it's part of the box. It's just a decorative element that is part of the box. Wherever I put it, whether it's in the corner, whether it's on the edge, wherever it is. I could also cut these up and put them just inside the box. Ground them to something, or contain, I'm going to call it contain them in some way. They need containers. So those are my tips. Either use washi tape, contain them in a section of your planner, contain them into a box area of your planner, use them on boxes, or just put the whole thing onto sticker paper and use them as a pattern paper. Those are a few tips on how you can use those weird stickers with the colored backgrounds. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, then drop me a comment down below, give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time, my planner pals. Bye!